How confident are you? How confident are you?
I am totally 100% confident. There is no threat to my government. What BJP friends they are doing, they preach something, they implement something. Narendra Modi has to tell the country, elected government, after the formation of the government, how these BJP friends wants to destabilize a stable government in the country. He has to answer, Narendra Modi ji.
You feel it is deliberately by the BJP which is doing all of
Just
this?
a minute, madam. Just a minute. Narendra Modi, what he expressed his views to the citizens of this country, he criticized about corruption. He told that he will going to give clean administration. He told that he wanted to clean the society. This is the way he is cleaning the society? By keeping his MLAs in near Delhi for 4 days. By poaching MLAs from Congress and JDS. This is the cleaning of Narendra Modi's message to the country?
Is your government safe
My
though?
government is totally 100% safe. This government is totally stable. There is no threat at all. Now you know how these BJP friends wants to destabilize this government by offering several kind of presentations with huge sum of money. Where they are getting this money?
Two independents have withdrawn support in terms of numbers.
Actually, I expected
Yes,
that.
yes.
I expected that two MLAs, independent MLAs, anytime they can leave.
Okay.
I am not surprised. The two MLAs, after they withdrawn the support, have no surprised about their movement. We have still 118 MLAs strength is there. This is the real strength.
That is the strength.
Yes, that is the strength. That's why I am telling you, I know these BJP friends how unnecessarily they are creating problem to run a smooth government here. That is their duty. They can enjoy for another 2 days or 3 days, 4 days. They can enjoy by spreading that this government will going to fall down.
And the missing Congress MLAs, the MLAs who do not seem to be in touch with
Come to
Congress.
me, I know. They are in touch with me. Who are all in Mumbai? They are all
They are
my
in touch
friends.
with you?
They are regular touch with me.
There are reports that it is Mr. Yediyurappa who is trying to do this before the Lok Sabha elections. Do you believe that?
Yeah, definitely, actually. Yediyurappa from the day one, he wanted to destabilize this government. For that, actually, he is efforting in all kind of efforts he is putting to destabilize this government. I know that. But he will not succeed ultimately.
He will not succeed.
He
Are
will-
you
he will
quite
not
confident
going-
that...
I am totally confident that this government will going to run for 5 years without any hurdles. Even after this kind of hurdles, this government will be with us as a solid rock. This government will give stable government by Congress and JDS even in future 5 years.
Now, because the two independents in terms of numbers, like you said, it doesn't matter. But it doesn't look
That is
good
not
at this
the- that
stage.
is
It
not
doesn't
the
look
big
good.
issue. I know. Previously itself, I have actually know that these two MLAs will not live for long time.
You knew that. You
I
felt you
knew that. Day one itself, I knew that. I have not taken any effort to even stop them. I know that. I know what is their views.
Was the cabinet expansion a bit of trouble causing with Ramesh Jarkiholi, with R. Shankar?
These things will always happen. But I know how to cool all these issues.
And when do we see this drama going? It is
To sort it out smoothly, how I have to work it out, I am doing my job without giving any scope for any big advertisement. I am doing my job.
It has been a challenging Shankranti. When will it all end? When will it all end?
Yes.